Well, welcome. Today we're inside the Pipeman Products warehouse and we're doing a demonstration on the Insta-Clamp copper solder joint repair clamp. Today we're going to show you the benefits and features and how to install one and why you should be having these in your business. First of all, the Insta-Clamp is made in several sizes, 1/2 inch all the way to 4 inch, to cover all your needs for copper tubing up to those sizes. One of the nice things about the Insta-Clamp, it is made of 304 stainless steel with an NBR waffle gasket, good from -40 to 212 degrees. As you can see here, they have a step-up, which is the unique capabilities of the Insta-Clamp to be able to slide up on to the coupling 4590T threaded adapter, and the other is a larger diameter, fits around the pipe, fitting flush to give you a permanent or temporary repair, your choice, with an Insta-Clamp. The reason the Insta-Clamp was developed is our sister service company, Tapmaster, used to go into hospitals and they'd be on the 2nd floor and they'd want to seal a leak on a copper pipe. And what would happen is they'd have buckets on the ground and they have the big yellow sign saying, hey, wet area, and they'd be rushed by the hospital to fix their pipe. But now, with the Insta-Clamp, they can go in, put it on there, wait a day, a week, a couple weeks, no leaks, go in, shut down in the late evening or early morning, repair the pipe, and the hospital's back up.
We've already cleaned our pipe and removed the excess solder. Now, spray some light soapy water on the pipe where you are installing the Insta-Clamp. The benefit to spraying light soapy water onto the pipe allows for the NBR gasket to easily be pushed up flush. Set it up flush, spread the U-clamp, and put it over the top. Tighten the bolt into place and set it down inside. Use a ratcheting wrench to tighten up the Insta-Clamp. Now the Insta-Clamp is all tightened down onto the copper pipe. If you have hot water running through the line, wait 20 to 30 minutes and just tighten it up a little more. Thanks for watching us, and find the Insta-Clamp and other commercial plumbing products on pipemanproducts.com.